Cupra Formentor 2021. Got a problem with the SOS module, SOS error, and Otis told me the module is in error, so we need to replace it. Couldn't find a decent manual on how to read the module. I noticed it was behind the screen, but there's nowhere, no easy access to the module behind the screen, because the screen itself won't come out that easily. So I made this video for the next one to step into this. To start the whole section, just remove the ventilation shafts. That's an easy one. Remove the trim in the front section, in the midsection. There's one bolt right here on the side. Then remove it by pulling it forward. It's all clipped. After that, remove the upper part, the screen on the upper part of the entertainment screen. It's this one. It's also clipped. I advise to remove it with some soft tools, plastic tools, not to damage the stuff. The screen itself is bolted with 4 bolts, one here, and on the top you've got 2 of them. After this, these have been removed, you can pull the screen forward. There is a clip on the top at the back, and if you remove it, I'll show you, we can access the module that we are looking for. It's right there.